Fisher, sir, Tran, and Lofty.
All right, good morning.
Good morning, sir.
All you guys you speak English?
Yes, I do. Not very well.
Okay, if you don't understand something, just let me know.
Yes, sir.
There's a translator outside for Mr. Tran. I just did it. I didn't know that Chisholm was going to be on Zoom, but he's
Is it,
I don't know if it's a certified translator, but someone is here to translate for Mr. Tran.
is it a court translator or is it just one of his homeboys?
Quiet down in the courtroom.
They want to speak with Chisholm, his wife, and the translator. So I don't know how far.
Yeah, I don't know how down I am with that. Yeah, okay, so let's just try to go. I can always try to get, is Vietnamese?
Yes, I am.
I can always try to get a Vietnamese.
Yes, sir.
Okay, guys, you are wanted from another state. You want to get a bond set on all of them, Ms. Chisholm?
No, Judge. Mr. Fisher, Mr. Tran wanted to get a bond set. I believe Mr. Lofton does have a local case, but he wanted to understand clearly if his local case would take precedence over the warrant that he's got out. So I believe he's got a hearing set for December 9th. Is it a felony, Mr. Lofton?
He's charged with 2 counts of possession of a controlled substance. Here, it looks like they're both less than a gram cases. And he has the open fugitive case. It looks like you are wanted.
He's wanted out of East Baton Rouge Parish for monetary instrument abuse, theft, and bank fraud. He has a $5,000 bond split between state jail PCS. Next thing is 12-9. They override the fugitive case right now, so he'll be trying to be locals. He's already waiting on November 19th.
Okay, so essentially what happens, because you have not made bond on those cases upstairs in the felony cases, you usually give whatever jurisdiction wants you 14 days to come get you. But you can't have any holds. You have a hold, and the hold is the fact that you've not made bond on those felony cases. So because of that, the 14 days is told, meaning it's kind of put on hold until you either take care of those cases upstairs or you make bond on it. So if you talk to family members and have them pony up to $5,000 to get you on bond on both felony cases, at that point, that's when the 14 days starts running. And I'll tell you, you're wanted out of Louisiana. So we have so many buses coming in and out of Louisiana that once you do actually make bond, you'll probably be on your way to Louisiana within the next 2 to 3 days. You got to make bond. So I don't know, if you can talk to Chisholm, perhaps you can help reach out to family members to see if you have someone that can kind of, post those bonds for you.
And Judge, he does say that he's got court on the 9th of December and he anticipates it'll get resolved on that day. So, but that's what he anticipates. But I'll talk to him later on.
Just be careful what you do. Don't make a decision on a rush, because it's never a good, just gotta always be careful. Okay, so, Mr. Tran.
Yes, sir.
You were wanted out of Arizona for money laundering. What do you say on Mr. Tran?
And I'm not opposed to a bond, but I would be opposed to a low bond. The warrant's been issued since 2018. His only history is a POM. And so, I'm not against one being set, but I want to make sure that there are assurances that he is able to secure transport back to Arizona and to take care of the warrant. I think that's part of why his wife and the interpreter are here. And so, if he's able
that shows he's got some support, so that's good.
The fact that the warrant's been open for 6 years is obviously a concern. But other than that,
well, I guess let's do this. If you're unopposed, see what you guys can come up with as far as the bond amount, and then I'm game.
yes, sir.
And the last gentleman?
Mr. Fisher, Your Honor.
Mr. Fisher, I would be opposed to a bond. He's wanted for burglary out of Orange County. However, he had a prior fugitive just case 3 months ago out of Tennessee. It's not out of this warrant from Florida, and I can't nail it down yet. I haven't reached out to Tennessee to figure out what that arrest was. But the fact that he was wanted as a fugitive just 3 months prior.
We didn't give him a bond though, did we?
I'm sorry?
Did we give him a bond? No.
No, this is a first setting judge. But
No. On the prior fugitive case.
No, that was,
Oh, in another state.
right. He was arrested in Tennessee for an unknown warrant. I don't know where the originating agency is, but he has a local theft. He did make bond for $20,000. It's a felony, a third-degree felony, but he has a considerable amount of history, which is why I'm opposed. In addition to what you see on your screen, for locals, well, if you want me to go down the list, I will, but he has 15 pages of criminal history in 3 different states. To say nothing of the fact that he's had an aggravated robbery in history as well. So I would be opposed to.
I'm curious. Bill, man,
Okay,
this is you.
other than the Tennessee, he's wanted for third degree or burglary in Oklahoma, conspiracy to commit a felony. He's wanted for well, no, English played false, but yeah, I don't care. He's wanted for, sorry.
You're singing it, Dave. Come on,
Trying to
sing it.
scroll. Oh, I guess that's what I was thinking, is a fugitive case out of Tennessee. And then the other one being in Oklahoma, and all the robbery, the felon possession of weapon, and the fact that he had prior ag rod, evading in a motor vehicle. So he has the definition of a flight risk. He literally fled from the police in a vehicle. And so because of all those reasons, I would be opposed to a bond.
Your Honor, he does have family here in Harris County. That's mostly why he is here in Harris County. He's not trying to essentially run from this warrant. He wants to go take care of it, and he would like to take care of it. He wants to take care of it next Monday. That way he can spend Thanksgiving with his family. And so we would request a bond at this time.
You have 13 pages of criminal history.
All right, this is the turning point right here. The judge just heard 13 plus pages of criminal history, and at that moment, the entire tone shifts. In the courtroom, this isn't just about one case anymore. It's about pattern behavior. Judges look at this and think, is this person going to show up or disappear again? And here's the real question for you watching. Should someone with this kind of history even get a second chance on bond? Or is the judge right to shut it down completely? Drop your thoughts below. Because from this point on, you can already feel it. The decision is basically made.
You've picked up a felony theft of $30,000 to $150,000, and you want me to set you a bond? Really? No. You have a prior fugitive case. I don't know what happened with that, but I would bet that if I give you a bond now, you might pick up a new case, might take flight, and I don't want that to happen. The good news is that you've made bond on this case, so the 14 days will start running, as opposed to what happened with the gentleman here, where it's kind of in a standstill. So, it's Florida, right?
Yes.
Yeah, so Florida has 14 days to come get you, and if they don't, and I'm going to tell you now, I don't give multiple bonds on fugitive cases. You get one shot. You already have had a prior fugitive case. So you know what you got to do, and when you don't, there's serious consequences. What? Tell me, Mr. Fisher, what? I mean,
The case that he's talking about from Tennessee, I was pulled over and they took me to jail in Tennessee. I had a warrant from Harris County. I got extradited here, and I bonded out here. I never caught a case in Tennessee. They just held me and extradited me back to Harris County. But I didn't run from it. I'm handling it right now. I check in my bonds, everything. I'm not running. Even the case dealing with Florida.
don't run. Stop. Just take care of it once and for all.
Sir.
Straighten up and fly right. It's not hard. Get a job. You got kids?
Yes, sir.
How many kids you got?
2.
Come on. While you're out here, who's taking care of those kids? Probably someone you don't want.
See, that's like the Florida situation. It's old. Like, it's nothing new that I picked up. It's old. Like in my past, just catching up with me. I wasn't, like, it's not on my mind to run it out. Like, I really want to handle the Florida situation, but I just don't want to miss a holiday with my family. But I will handle the Florida situation.
concern is you getting back to Florida, taking care of it once and for all. I understand you may miss a holiday, but man up, go back, get it done, and live your life the right way. Okay, so let's do this. Has Fisher already waived or no?
Yes, Judge. I believe all three of them have waived, except for Mr. Tran. Mr.
So
Tran, did you
I'm
sign a waiver?
willing to do a bond with you guys on Tran. If you guys can come up to the amount, I'm happy. And then with the other two gentlemen, we'll just wait and see. Okay?
I'll email you Chisholm on Tran.